Hi everyone, in this I'm gonna explain to you how to download Roblox on Mac. So what you're gonna have to do is simply open any browser and search for download Roblox, and then simply click on the first link, and then you're gonna see something similar to this. So you're gonna have to simply click on download Mac app, and after that the download starts. So as you can see, we have here the file, and all you have to do is to simply click on Roblox player installer, and then simply click on open. And after that, you're gonna have to simply wait until they're gonna configure a Roblox for our Mac, and basically we can start playing Roblox games. So is that easy? Of course, you're gonna have to log into your account, and basically that's all you have to do. So it's the easiest way and the fastest way, and basically the only way to download Roblox on your Mac. So all you have to do now is to simply wait. So let's wait, and let's proceed. So as you can see, we just installed Roblox. So let's see where it is. So as you can see, it's right here. And now all we have to do is simply log in or sign up, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.